Sana may dinosaur pala oh.
Lumipad pare. Pag-dream ko talaga lumipad eh.
Ganda ng cellphone nito oh. Linaw-linaw ng camera oh.
Para naman alam ako ninyo.
Hindi, wala pa na oh.
Mura lang to, mura.
Tara kayo.
Christmas party from Pride of Law. Oh,
naka-live pala yun. Lagi ko nagpapagdito, live pala.
Reels yan, pang-reels yan. Next!
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Aray, di kami ba to? Para magpatalo, Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Kasama ba sa raffle to si Santa?
Oo, kasama yan.
Para kay Wilson maganda to kasi matagal pa siya dito sa Pride of Hall. Pakindal to.
Talaga naman ano pala ito, photographer.
Tangin na, matindi ang mga ano yan.
Parang drone na.
Itag mo sa akin pare.
Mamaya.
Para magyabang din ako na ako nagkumuha yan. Ganda cellphone ko, ha? Yung pala, Corb.
Drone! Tapang mo na yan, tingin mo, sasama na loob mo.
Sa akin, tinapon mo na kagabi.
Tapang mo na yan.
Si Wilson, ginagalang tayo na ayos pa eh.
Kasi ginawa yan ako po. Yan, doon kasi ano.
Ay, sorry.
Kaya mo ba to? Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Wala si Asif.
Christmas party. Thank you. Siya yun, sinatawa ko, wala sumasagot. Bye. Guys, wait.
Merry Christmas para all Pilipino, para sa lahat.
Video, boy?
No sir, this live. Ay, video.
Hey, why no rice, man? What is the rice, man? Ashish, what is biryani? Biryani, man, no good. Hey! Leave me the pork head, please. For me, ice. I like to eat ice.
Ano yan?
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to?
Narinig.
Why you start with chocolate, man?
Chocolate first.
Baboy, baboy.
You have palabok mo. That's yours, oh. Go for it.
Kala ko si Rachel yan.
That's yours.
Ready, Nikos? Merry Christmas, British.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
My chocolate, man. Yeah, same like me, man. Well, baby, man.
Only Christmas time.
You guys, from which city I am? Iloilo. You know my city? You know my city, man. You like Filipino, ah? You like a Filipino, ah?
Ready tomorrow, ha?
What was that?
January, dinagyan.
Yan,
Last week, January.
Rice tayo,
Far. What month you go on that?
No, never go.
Ashish, this is without this one.
Okay.
It's a fish. Actually, fish pasta with mackerel.
It's yours, oh.
You can eat fish, it's well made.
Wala, no.
Ba't wala nililid na?
Ewan ko rin. And you put sugar as well in this spaghetti?
No.
Finally, man. Everywhere sugar. Too much sugar in meat, huh? Guys, when you're getting at your age, watch your sugar eating, huh? Then sugar in the blood, huh? Banana. Then no Jack, no Coke, no nothing.
Diabetes.
Mas Coca-Cola.
Diabetes. Very limited food, huh?
Dialysis up there.
You don't eat pasta, you don't eat much rice.
Diet.
Who, you?
Yeah.
I never see Filipino diet.
Cheat day.
You see, we put how many salads, vegetables? Nobody think.
Still there when you go out. The silence.
Tomorrow, Jason.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
Ay, akin na yung plastic at wala. Akin na, wala naman.
Pinalagyan ako.
Nakabawi.
Kevin. Ah.
Wala.
Si Kevin.
Papakaligaya yun.
Ayan! Wala!
May pag-asa.
Oy! Alexis!
O, di ba may swerte?
May pag-asa pa si Wilson, eh. Puti pangalan ko to, eh.
May pag-asa.
Sabi ko parang nakita ko sun, eh. Sabi ko Wilson. Oy! Alex! Bagay! May Paul, sana 10 sa akin! Alis, bunot!
Kaya yung 5 pounds to na binigay namin
Balik tayo.
Balik na ya.
Santo! Hoy! Jason!
Hi, Pags!
Balik na.
Kunti na lang to, dito makaabot dito.
Wala, di ka nakasama.
Hindi, hirap mo lang. Bumunot. Kuya G.
Oh!
Aray.
Okay pa.
Malito!
Malito! Wala tayo sampo.
Ito. Dahil. Wala pa binigay. Guerrero.
Last na.
Dino.
Turbo!